Tired of messy Word resumes that never look professional? In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean, modern resume or CV using Overleaf. I'll walk you through the easiest way to get started using ready-made templates so you can focus on your content, not the design. First, go to overleaf.com and sign up or log in. Once you're in, click Templates at the top menu. Then scroll down and select CVs and resumes. It's usually the fifth category. Here, you'll find dozens of professionally designed templates, including staff-picked and popular options. Choose a template you like, for example, the Alta CV template, then click Open as Template. Overleaf will load the project into the editor, where you can see both the code and the PDF preview side by side. To edit your resume, switch to the visual editor if you're not comfortable with code. Each section, your name, experience, education, and skills, has its own clearly labeled area. Simply replace the placeholder text with your own information, then click Recompile to instantly see the changes in the PDF. Repeat this for all sections, and once everything looks good, download your resume as a PDF and you're done. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.